Hi there and welcome to Glenchester Lakes. My name's Taylor. I'm one of Casto's leasing consultants. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of our 2-bed, 1.5 bathroom townhome. Let's go take a look. As soon as you enter the apartment, you have your half bath with a single vanity. This will lead directly into your kitchen, which comes with a dishwasher, stove, oven, and refrigerator, and a lovely kitchen window, plenty of cabinetry, dual sinks, and a nice dining space. You have your coat closet here, utility closet, washer and dryer hookups, and a nice open living room. Our townhomes have fireplaces here and a lovely outside space. Once you get up the steps, you will have your linen closet, which leads into the smaller of the 2 bedrooms holding a queen set with a large walk-in closet and is also connected to the Jack and Jill bathroom. This bathroom has a single vanity with a medicine cabinet as well as vanity storage and a shower tub combo. This will then lead you to the master bedroom, also holding a queen set, but could easily fit a king set. The walk-in closet here is even larger, with a shoe rack. Thank you so much for taking a tour with us here today. Please don't hesitate to reach out to the office with any questions. We can't wait to get you all moved in.